Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to see if you have DDR4 or 5 installed for your RAM on your Windows 11 computer. So if we want to find the speed, also I'll show you how to do that. But I have this little application right here. If I open this up, this is CPU ID, CPU Z, and it is quick and easy just to install. But if I go on over to memory, it'll specifically tell me DDR4 right here. And I'll show you how to get this. I'll open it up right now. So just go to google.com or just type it in under the URL cpuid.com and then go to this website. Go ahead and get this for Windows, then get the English version, and then you'll have it installed. It's really quick and easy. It'll give you the mainboard information, CPU, memory, graphics as well. So you can see I have 32 gigabytes. Also, it's telling me the DRAM frequency and also the encore frequency. Now we can go down to search and type in task manager and we can get the specific speeds. So let's go to performances, memory, and I can see 43% is used. By going down, I have 2 of 2 slots used. Usually on your desktop PC you're going to have 4 slots, so it might say 2 of 4 slots used, so you can add 2 more slots to be 4 of 4. Then here's the speed, 3200 MT/s. So go ahead and upgrade your RAM sticks with that information. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.